everyone, welcome back to the Wedding Business Hub, and today we're going to show you a simple but out-of-the-box strategy to help you book your next wedding client. And no, this isn't about posting more on social media or tweaking your website.
It's a technique that most wedding pros overlook but can have immediate impact on your bookings. So if you're ready to try something a little different, stick with us.
In this video, we're going to teach you how to use micro experiences to create personal connections that turn into inquiries into those bookings. The truth is, in the wedding industry, clients are looking for more than a service. They want an experience. So by creating these small, memorable moments, you're showing clients you care about them on a personal level, and that's often the final push they need to choose you over somebody else.
Okay, so here's how it works. When you get an inquiry, don't respond with the generic email. Instead, think about how you can create a mini experience for them. It can be as simple as a personalized video message, a handwritten note, or a fun, thoughtful quote. The goal is to go beyond the usual response and make them feel like they already have a taste of your amazing service.
So here are 3 ways to create those micro experiences that are going to wow your clients and help you to stand out.
Okay, the first one is what I just said, personalized video message. So when you receive an inquiry, instead of just typing that response, record a really quick 30-second video for them. Address them by name, address a couple of things that you're excited about for their wedding and that you cannot wait to chat more. Trust me, this is going to blow them away because they're going to see your face, they're going to hear that enthusiasm and feel the connection.
For example, you might say, "Hi Sarah, I just wanted to let you know how much I loved reading about your plans for a rustic outdoor wedding. I can already picture how magical it'll be, and I have some great ideas to make it unforgettable. I'm really looking forward to connecting and bringing your vision to life."
So why does this work? Well, this tiny effort makes a huge impression. You're showing that you're already invested in their day and that the personal touch can make all the difference.
So another thing you can do is send a welcome packet with a personal touch. So if you have the chance to send them a little welcome packet or a digital PDF, make sure it's unique to them. Don't just attach your standard brochure. Instead, add something of a little personal touch, whether it's quirky, fun, maybe it's a little tip, or maybe something light-hearted like your favorite coffee shop playlist.
And this works because this small tailored detail is memorable and it shows you go that extra mile. Even if they're just comparing vendors, they're going to remember you as the one who added that personal touch.
So step 3, ask an unusual question to spark the connection. And this is a fun one. At the end of your response to them, ask them an interesting question. Not just what's your wedding date, but something that lets you get to know them a little bit better, like what's the one song you can't wait to hear on the dance floor? Or if your wedding was a movie, what would the theme song be?
So this works because it creates an immediate connection and helps you learn more about their personalities and their vibe. Plus, it's a lot more fun for them to answer. And when they do respond, you've got a great jumping off point for your next interaction with them.
So those are 3 easy ways to make a big impact with new inquiries. Creating these little micro experiences is a game changer. It shows clients that they're not just a number, and it positions you as somebody who genuinely cares about their wedding day too.
That's right. If you found this helpful, make sure you've subscribed.
Thank you for watching, and here's to making those unforgettable connections. Bye.